Let's go outside and play! A big hug party, spinning round the room, chasing away the afternoon day gloom. Yeah! A big hug party! A big hug party! Paws on the floor, let the fun begin. Bluey and Bingo spinning round again. Make-believe world, a brand new game. Yelling our names, we're not the same. Side by side, yeah, through thick and thin. This is the moment, let the hugging win. Bluey and Bingo! Bluey and Bingo! Draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. So much to make and so much to see. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Grab your crayons, let's have fun. Our amazing art has just begun. Draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Making pictures is the best, woohoo! Draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Let's draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Time to draw, let's have some fun. Drawing Bluey and Bingo in the sun. With our pens and crayons bright, we'll draw with all our might. Grab your crayons, let's have fun. Our drawing journey has begun. Let's draw a kitty or a tree, with colors wild and totally free. Come on and use your hands and minds.